Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Those who don't know me, my name is Sonia. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about healthy recipe. This is a spinach and chickpeas bowl. This is my kind of recipe which I usually make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly jump into the video. So first we are taking a non-stick pan in which we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can add butter if you want. When your ghee is hot, now it will go finely chopped garlic. Saute this for few minutes. Until it turns golden brown. Now add handful of spinach, also known as palak. This green leafy veggie is good for skin, hair and bone health. It also provides minerals, iron and vitamin A, C and K. Now we will cover the lid and cook for another minute in a low flame. Next, here it goes grated coconut. You can skip if you want. Next goes black pepper. Now it goes 2 cups of boiled chickpeas, that is chole chana. I have soaked them in water for 4 hours and boiled them in a pressure cooker for 5 whistles. Adding chickpeas in your diet will make you feel full for a longer period of time. Cook for another a minute or 2 and just turn off the flame and it's done. Serve this hot. I hope you like my recipe. Do try and let me know how it tastes. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.